The human being, they are complicated to be understood. They are consist of many organs and parts that to be understood. The human brain, it is very important to be modified and understood. There were many people, they are doing many jobs. They are having some critical and thinking and problem solving issues. They are working together as a team. So what is the brain parts and how they are doing like this? So as the brain consists of 60% of fat and 40% of water, carbohydrates, protein and salt. We have a human brain anatomy. We have loops: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and there is cerebellum and spinal cord. We will see the parts of the human brain and function. So we have cerebrum, that it is function, movement, coordination with the temperature regulation, speech, critical thinking and judgment, with the problem solving, learning, with the short-term memory, and sense of vision, hearing and touch. We have cerebellum, muscle movements with the coordination and posture maintenance, equilibrium with the balance, thoughts, emotions and behavior. So we will see the brainstem function and parts. So the brainstem parts, we have thalamus, midbrain, pons, medulla and spinal cord. I will be explaining about the three parts: midbrain, pons and medulla, and the remaining we will be discussed later. So the midbrain function, it is involved hearing, movement and coordination. Pons function, there is 12 cranial nerves that are responsible for chewing, focusing, vision, balance, hearing and facial expression, and we will discuss the 12 cranial nerves. We have medulla, it is function, regulation of body activities like heartbeats and rhythm, breathing, oxygen and CO2 level in the blood, coughing, sneezing and swallowing. We have the nervous system in the brain that consists of many nerves and neurons, and there is white matter and gray matter. They are sending and receiving the messages throughout the body. So when the patient or when the person is feeling pain or anxiety or there is any problem, he will be the nervous system will be activated. We'll see now neuron and anatomy. So this is the neuron that the messages is going through it. We have soma, axon, myelin. So the 12 cranial nerves we have. First one, it is olfactory nerve. It is responsible on smell. Second nerve, optic nerve. It is function, eyesight. Oculomotor nerve, the third cranial nerve. It is responsible about pupil control, eye motion. The fourth one, trochlear nerve. It is responsible on muscle control of the eyes. The fifth one, trigeminal nerve, sensation of the scalp, jaw, teeth, mouth and face. The abducent nerve, it is the sixth one. It is responsible about the eye muscle. Seventh one, it is facial nerve. It is responsible of the movement of face, taste and glandular. The eighth one is vestibulocochlear nerve. It is responsible about hearing and balance. The ninth cranial nerve, it is glossopharyngeal nerve. It is responsible about movement, the throat and the taste. We have 10th, it is a vagus nerve. It is responsible about the motor activity control of the heart and throat and digestive system. We have 11th cranial nerve, accessory nerve. It is movement of the head, neck and shoulder muscle responsibility. And hypoglossal nerve, it is the 12th cranial nerve that it is responsible about the tongue motor activity. Thank you.